Hello, hi Sheldon. You are not audible again. I don't know.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you now. What? Something is
Okay.
wrong with this. He's going to join in a minute.
Okay.
Prashant
So
is going to
in the
join. Yeah.
meanwhile,
Mm-hmm.
can you go to the 4PC server?
4 PC server. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Now on the top, on the right hand side, you'll see watch, play, archive, leaderboards, friends.
Mm-hmm. Let me just see.
Let me just see.
And I need to. Yeah, I already adjusted here, so that's no problem. Okay. Here I
Okay.
see watch, play, archive, leaderboard, friends. Yeah.
Oh, 1 second.
Yeah.
Okay. Now
Mm-hmm.
click on friends. You'll see
Mm-hmm.
my name there.
Yes. Yes, I do see.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And you'll see beside the name, there'll be a green word, observing.
Yes. Yes.
Click on that observing. You will go to the game that I am observing.
Okay.
Click on observing. Don't click on my name. Click on observing, the green word.
Okay, let me. Yeah, I did click on the observing only,
Click on that.
but I
And
see
yeah,
it's
yeah. This is a game between with you and me. Okay.
ah got you. Okay.
Okay. So now can you see my arrows?
Yes, I can see your arrows.
Yeah. Because you and I were in this game, we
Mm-hmm.
can draw arrows on this board and communicate.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. All
Mm-hmm.
right. So what you can move the pieces. Okay. By the way, you can move
Mm-hmm.
the pieces. So now I want you to move the pieces. Move this H3.
Uh, where?
Just move the pawn up one square up. Can you see the?
Yeah, I can see your arrow, but it's already
Oh,
on H3. It,
okay.
it's 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 mate. I
No,
guess
no,
we need to go in analysis mode.
no. Go to the starting position. So
Ah, got it.
press the very first
Yeah.
button
Yeah.
on the left
Let me
hand
just
side.
see. Yeah.
Go to
Yeah.
the starting position. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Now I can.
Up,
Yeah.
go right to the starting position.
Yes. Do you want me to share the screen?
No, I can see it. Okay, so I can see it on Twitch. So now you play
Okay.
this first move. Okay, H3.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I am moving it on my board as well. Now if
Mm-hmm.
they make a blunder, this is the common trap. Okay, if they play
Yes.
C8,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
yellow plays C8. Plays G12.
Yeah. This I already played with Prashant. It has happened
Yeah,
in our game as well. So yeah.
wait. And y'all made a mistake. Okay, now if
Oh.
green says, "Oh, I am going to copy them. Let me also play this."
Okay.
Now this is the trick. What you guys did was,
Uh-huh.
and many other viewers do this. They do. They make a blunder. They
Okay.
capture the queen. Okay.
Oh.
Now
Okay.
say green does yellow. Blue has to capture the queen here.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
if blue does not, if blue says I'm going to protect my queen.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you've captured the green. Red captures the green queen.
Okay.
Blue has to trade. It's
Yeah.
forced.
Yeah.
But blue says no. I want to keep queens on the board, so I
Mm-hmm.
want to say block. So
Okay.
blue blocks with the knight.
Mm-hmm.
You capture the green queen and you block with the knight.
Okay.
No, block with the knight.
Yeah. Already blocked it.
Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
block with the knight.
Mm-hmm.
Now what you did was, okay,
Mm-hmm.
you arrowed to win a free bishop here.
Yeah. I guess so. Yeah.
Yes, that's what you did. So when
Yeah.
if yellow captures the green bishop, green is forced to take the queen,
Yeah. Yeah.
and you are a bishop up, but the game continues. But
Yeah.
there
Mm-hmm.
is a better move than capturing the bishop.
Okay.
The move is the yellow bishop protects the red queen.
Ah.
The
On
red
that is
queen
a
is
mate.
protected, and that is mate. So why do you want a free bishop when you can
Oh.
get a mate?
Oh yeah. I did not thought of this that I can protect here and oh my god.
It is
Yeah.
mate. So
Yeah.
you
Uh-huh.
guys went for the second best move
That is a free piece.
in the
Okay. Uh-huh.
three piece when you have
Mhm.
direct mate over here. This is a fool's mate. Okay.
Ah.
Now
Okay.
let's go back to the starting position.
Okay. Let me just go back. Okay.
Okay, remember these
Mm-hmm.
tricks. Okay, go back. H3.
Uh-huh.
Blue makes a mistake of playing
Mm-hmm.
C8.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
we obviously play G12, and now green does not want to make the same mistake, because
Mm-hmm.
if he makes this, if green plays L7, green is getting mated.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Which means, suppose say he plays L7
Okay.
to capture. Yeah, he plays green is silly enough to move the a dark squared pawn.
Mm-hmm.
So he opens in the dark squares,
Mm-hmm.
and red has to capture the queen.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Now blue realizes the last time he blocked,
Mm-hmm.
green got mated.
Mm-hmm.
So what blue does is, blue says, I'm going to put yellow in check. The
Okay.
only way to put yellow in check is to trade queens.
Yeah.
Now, so
Yeah.
yellow is forced to capture the blue queen.
Yeah.
Green is forced to capture the red queen.
Yeah. And now
Okay.
we are still getting a free piece, right? Here.
Yeah, we are still getting a free piece. So we capture the bishop.
Yeah.
Sorry, first red trades bishops, because
Yeah. It's my turn. Yeah. Yeah. Right.
red trades bishops.
Blue has to
Blue
capture back.
captures
Yeah.
the bishop, and yellow gets a free green bishop.
Yeah. And
If you look on the left side of your board, you
mm-hmm.
can see the scale is, the balance is there,
Yeah.
and it says
Yeah.
+4.
Mm-hmm.
Bishop
Mm-hmm.
is a bishop symbol, and it's +4.
Okay. Got you.
And
Got you.
then the bishop will go here. So
Mm-hmm.
the knight will develop here. The
Yeah.
bishop will develop here, and now the bishop can grab the knight with check, or grab this, or the knight
Mm-hmm.
can develop here, and we will grab this. And
Okay.
the rook will move here, and the bishop
Mm-hmm.
will come back to F12.
Okay.
So we are a whole piece up. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now
Yeah.
let's go to the starting position.
Okay.
Okay. So now we know that if the green makes the mistake of L7,
Mm-hmm.
blue is forced to trade queens,
Yeah.
because it puts a yellow in check. So
Yeah.
now let's go back
Okay.
to the starting position.
Mm-hmm.
B3, H3.
Okay.
Again, blue makes a mistake, C8,
Okay.
G12.
D12.
And now
Yeah.
green knows that if he moves this, it's going to be mate or a piece down. So
Yeah.
green says, at least blue
Okay.
has already done damage.
Mm-hmm.
Blue has already done damage, so let us move L8.
Okay.
Okay, and open on the light squares.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, red captures the bishop.
Okay.
Now blue has to trade queens
Queen.
here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Blue has to accept
Mm-hmm.
the loss of playing with a bishop down. Okay,
Yeah.
because if the king captures the bishop,
Mm-hmm.
then yellow trades queens, and this is
Mm-hmm.
checkmate.
Yeah. Yeah.
And there's nothing that red can do. So if red say expects to trade queens, the red king can even move
Mm-hmm.
to I1. You don't need to trade queens, just move to
Yeah.
I1, and it is checkmate.
Just a second. Just adding to the title.
Oh, I won't be here for long, so don't add my name to the title. I have to in like 10
Yeah.
minutes.
Yeah.
I
No
have to
problem. No
start
problem.
preparing dinner.
Sure. No problem. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, we did capture the queens over there. Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so go back to the starting position.
Mm-hmm.
In the starting position, just play the moves that I arrow on the board. Okay,
Okay.
H3,
Mm-hmm.
C8,
Yeah.
G12.
Mm-hmm.
Now green says, if I push L7, then I'll get mated, or I will lose a piece. So green says, I will do less damage, and
Okay.
with damage control, open correctly on the light squares.
Mm-hmm.
Red has to just capture this bishop first.
Yes. Yeah.
We have just won a piece. Now blue has to capture the queen. If blue does not capture the queen, if blue plays king takes bishop,
That is a mate.
okay,
Yeah. That is a mate. Yeah.
then it is mate.
Mate. Yeah. This
If
has
yellow
happened in our
captures,
game. Yeah. This has happened in
this
our
is
game.
happening again.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
because there is mate and there's nothing. If say now green plays L7, we need not even do anything. We can just move the king to I1, and it is checkmate.
Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, yeah. This has happened, and I was explaining on that day to Prashant. You know.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw the board. He was very confused.
Yeah. At the beginning, he was not sure.
Okay. Oh, Kastur has just followed.
Yeah, I was just checking.
Kastur.
Kastur,
Yes.
thank you so much for the follow.
How are you doing, Kastur? This is Prof. Blundermaster. How are you doing? Thanks for following. So that is one thing, and you have to keep in. These are very common traps that happen in very low level games. Okay,
Yes.
this does not happen in high level games.
Yeah,
Does
yeah,
not
yeah.
happen at
There,
all.
I
Okay.
wanted to ask you about the Sicilian. When somebody start with the Sicilian, how to play with against the Sicilian in 4 PC?
Okay, I
When
use a very complex method to play against the Sicilian. Okay,
uh-huh.
this is how I play. It's a different opening, and I have studied a lot of variations in that.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not very confident in playing it because
Mm-hmm.
I very rarely go into all these variations against players because many times my teammates do not want to play this
Mm-hmm.
opening.
Okay. But yeah, on that
Okay,
day I
so
was
I'll
a
just
little confused with that, means how to start with that. But again, we got he did a
okay.
blunder and I got a mated, means I did deliver the mate over there. Yeah.
Okay, so I'll show you a little something ideas. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
H3 is
Mm-hmm.
a Sicilian. Okay,
Okay.
H3 is what red plays.
Mm-hmm.
Blue plays D6
Yeah.
Sicilian.
Yeah.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this pawn do not capture it.
Yeah.
You can capture it later in the game if necessary, but
Mm-hmm.
now it is just a waste of time. It's a
Mm-hmm.
waste of tempo capturing it because it puts
Okay.
your bishop in the center of the board,
Mm-hmm.
which means blue's queen will be able to develop with the tempo on your bishop.
Yeah.
So blue gets to relocate his queen
Mm-hmm.
to a better square, attacking the red king,
Mm-hmm.
or to a better square over here, attacking the yellow king.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you get a loss of tempo or from this square attacking. So
Yeah.
you do not want to get it to lose tempo. Okay, so he
Mm-hmm.
pushes to d6. Yellow. What I do here is I play h11.
Okay.
Okay, this is the hyper modern.
Okay.
It's called the hyper modern opening.
Mm-hmm.
But a lot of the players I team up with, the high level
Mm.
players, want to play G12. And
Ah,
G12
yeah.
is simple. It's
Simple.
simple. It is
Yeah.
I yeah. So I know how to play
Mm.
with G12, but I prefer H11 because it is. I have there are a lot of different traps in the
Mm-hmm.
H11 line,
Okay.
and because of which Sicilian players fall for a lot of the traps.
Okay.
So I prefer the G12 line. So
Mm-hmm.
I can we can have another discussion on the H11 line because it's a very long discussion.
Okay.
So for now, we'll just go for G12. Uh,
Okay.
uh, Green will either play L8
Mm-hmm.
or Knight to L6
What
or
happen if
uh,
if they
double
again go with the Sicilian stuff?
double Sicilian,
Yeah.
or they will play the Caro. So it is the mixture of the Sicilian and blue
Caro.
Sicilian
Uh-huh.
and green Caro Khan.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, so mostly you will say get Karo Khan.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, in this over here, you cannot develop the queen immediately.
Okay. Yeah. What
You cannot
happens with
because
the development of queen because of
the
capturing the
pawn
pin? Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
capturing is pawn, and then there's a mating threat because
Yeah.
green will then. So for example, if you move the queen out to say J4, okay,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
J4, blue captures on F2.
Mm-hmm.
What does yellow do?
Yellow can come here maybe to protect the piece.
Yeah, yellow can do that to protect here, but
Hmm?
now green pushes L7.
Uh, Pushes the. But yeah, it's yellow turn. Maybe what happen if
No,
the
no,
yellow sacks
you're
here?
right.
What happen if yellow
No,
sacks here?
no. Wait.
Ah,
Blue
yeah.
captured an F2. Correct. That's the
Yes.
last move.
Yes. Yes.
After say yellow comes to F12,
Yeah. Okay.
green
Hmm.
pushes L7. Now it is red's turn. What does red do?
Okay. Let me just
Because
see.
there's a mate threat.
Yeah. Let me find. Let me find. Uh.
This is the mate threat. Either the blue queen comes to G1 or
Yeah.
the blue queen
Maybe
comes to
what
G2.
what I think is I can simply capture the queen and then the same idea of fool's mate. Maybe here I can support the bishop. With the bishop I can support the queen, and blue cannot do
It won't
anything.
be. Um, no, blue can.
How now? How blue can give the check?
No, because you capture.
Hmm? Now it's blue turn.
Yeah, now it's blue's turn. Okay.
Yeah.
Blue queen to L8.
But he has to sacrifice the queen again, right? There
But
is
no, but
no
this
way.
is not. Yeah, no, that's true. Okay, yeah, that's true. But if you remember that there is this mating thing over here, there is this idea. Yeah,
Yes. But
you have
yeah, I
to
mean,
remember that.
we are. I mean, yeah. Now I'm getting some visions. Earlier I was not getting a vision of the other two players.
Yeah,
Means the attack coming from this either bishop or from this bishop. Attack over there.
yeah.
But now something it's got some
So
visions.
he
Yeah.
plays
Mm-hmm.
K7. He plays K7, not L7.
Okay.
K7.
Okay.
Yeah, he plays K7 here. Yeah. So the thing is, and not just that. After the queen comes out,
Mm-hmm.
okay, the green queen can come to can
Yes.
capture on
Yes.
I13.
Yes.
And now there is seriously a mate threat on red.
Okay. Let me just.
This is the mate threat.
But yeah, now this just pawn gets developed, and now I had to move right for now.
No. I'm saying after we're going back. Okay. Queen takes F2,
Mm-hmm.
queen to F12. The problem with queen to F12 is queen takes I13. And
Mm.
now the threat is blue captures,
Yeah, with the
green
double.
captures, checkmate.
Mm-hmm.
Checkmate.
Yeah,
So what do you do here? You have to undevelop your queen and
come back to the
come
defending
back.
square.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, exactly.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Exactly. You have to do that.
Yeah.
You have no choice.
Yes. Right. Okay.
That,
Surya, what to
that
call
is one.
from?
That is one. The other one is probably uh
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I think that's the best idea to either come back here or either come here to I3. So when if he captures,
Mm-hmm.
you just capture back with the bishop and he will capture your queen.
Yeah.
And yellow will, of course, there's yellow's move in the middle. Okay.
Right.
The other thing could be yellow's move could probably be this to attack the queen
Yeah.
because
But
yellow will want to prevent,
yes.
yeah,
Yes. Right.
will want to prevent mate this a check on himself.
Yeah.
So he'll want to defend his bishop with the rook.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not so easy to play. So the best thing to do
Mm-hmm.
is to first block the capture. There are three ways to block the capture. One is you push E3.
Mm-hmm.
The other one is you push D4, or the other one is you play knight to D3 to protect it this way. The knight is very
Yeah.
nice on D3.
Yeah. But right now, if I see my queen is hanging, right? If you see
No,
my
so do
position,
not get.
right?
I'm saying. So
Mm-hmm.
the best thing to do is prevent blue from capturing on F2 in the first place.
Yeah. All right. Got you there.
So
Yeah.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
so on the second move of red, you
Mm-hmm.
either get your knight out or you push E3 because E3 will defend the pawn on F2.
Yeah, and also giving some
Okay.
vision over
Or
there. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
yes, and or you can get pawn to D4, which
Mm-hmm.
blocks F2.
Mm-hmm. I'm getting a
Okay, so you can.
challenge from means yeah team invite from one XTG. But okay, we will continue. Maybe I'll take it later on.
I think you can one XTG, right?
Yeah,
I think
one XTG.
he's a strong player. You can play with him. I think he's a
Okay.
pretty strong player.
Okay, let me pick the invite
Yeah.
then.
So
So let's see. I
yeah,
have
take
asked
the
him
invite
on
because
that day to come on Discord, but
what is his
somehow his
what is his
rating
rating?
is I guess
You can just
1600 or
click on his
1700.
click, no, click on his name. One
Let me
XTG.
just see. He
Wait,
is
I'll just
having
jump.
1800. I see.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, he knows quite a bit to
Yeah,
show
yeah.
you some tricks. Yeah.
He is already showing me the tricks. Okay, let's go with the dark square then. Yeah, you can see my screen, right? Maybe little delay over there, maybe then.
Yeah, but I
Oh,
can't comment. So what I'll do now is I will go offline.
uh-huh.
Okay. So you enjoy your stream,
Okay.
and he's 1800. Yeah, I've seen him
Yes.
play with Luke.
Yeah. On that day, I
Yeah.
was means he started new streaming, right? So
Hmm.
we went over there with the red, and I had played 3 4 games with him. But the problem is we were not able to coordinate.
XCG XCG is a streamer.
Yeah, he started new streaming, but on his stream he is not having a camera, he's not having a mic. He just kept the
Oh, can you?
window. So
Okay, okay,
you got it
okay.
on that day. I'm not sure if
I do
yours.
not. I do not know if I followed him. I think I followed him. Anyway, so I'll go offline now. You
Mm-hmm.
focus on your game, and I
Okay.
can't talk about your game while you're playing. So,
Yeah. Sure.
all right.
Yeah. When we play, we will talk. Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, all right. See you, buddy. Enjoy your
All
stream.
right. Sure. Thank you so much for coming in and giving some tips. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye bye.